The truth will set you free, but first, it will break you. These 5 Stoic truths will sting, but if you can face them, they'll transform your life forever. Stoicism isn't about suppressing your emotions. It's about confronting brutal realities with courage, clarity, and control. If you're tired of sugar-coated advice and ready to grow, these 5 truths from Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus are the medicine you didn't know you needed. Truth number 1, you're not owed anything. The world doesn't owe you fairness. Life isn't designed to reward you just for trying. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, expect nothing, accept everything. This hurts, but it frees you from entitlement. Stop waiting, start building. You become powerful the moment you expect nothing and take responsibility for everything. Truth 2, you will die, maybe sooner than you think. Memento Mori. You don't have unlimited time. Seneca wrote, you act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire. Every day wasted is a day you'll never get back. This truth doesn't depress you, it awakens you. Live now. Decide what matters. Cut to number 3. Your emotions lie to you. Anger says destroy. Fear says run. But Stoicism says pause, observe, then respond. Epictetus taught, it's not things that upset us, but our judgments about them. You don't have to obey every feeling. You are not your emotions. You are the one who chooses how to act. Truth number 4, most people won't understand your growth. When you become more disciplined, more quiet, more focused, people may call you cold, boring, or distant. Seneca said, associate with people who are likely to improve you. Not everyone deserves a front row seat to your transformation. Your peace is more valuable than their approval. Truth number 5, you are the problem and the solution. No more blaming. No more waiting for things to change. You have the power to rewrite your story, but it starts with radical ownership. Marcus Aurelius didn't blame fate. He worked with it. Accept where you are, then take the next right step, again and again. These truths hurt. They strip away illusions. But once you accept them, you become stronger, calmer, clearer. You stop surviving and start living with purpose. That's the Stoic way, and it's open to anyone brave enough to live it. If this hit home, don't just watch and move on. Subscribe to Virtue Over Chaos for more Stoic wisdom, powerful mindset shifts, and practical tools for building an unshakable life. And remember, the truth may hurt, but it also heals.